Here you can go and type unlimited-elements.com and you can get this plugin from here. This one is official website, and here you can see these are the different useful widgets that you will be able to use in your Elementor WordPress website. So let me show you how you can install this plugin. Simply you can go here and click on plugins. Now click on add plugin, upload plugin, then select the plugin file. So let me go and select this zip file. Now activate this plugin and then scroll down. Here you can go unlimited elements, then click on widgets. So these are all the widgets, and from the left side here you can select any of the widget set. Then here you can see number of elements. To add a multi-line button in your Elementor WordPress website, here you need to go on widgets, then scroll down and select the button widgets, and here you can find out this one multi-line button. You can preview it, then install it. After that you can go back and reload this page. Now here let me add a new container and then search for button in this left box. Then here you can see this one is from the unlimited elements. You can drag it here. Now you can add your own text. For example, subscribe, and then here you can add subtitle text. Then you can add the link. For example, let me add here this link. And if you want to add icon, then you can enable it from here. Then scroll down, and after that here you can select the hover effect. So that's working fine. After that you can go to style tab. Here you can align the button, and here you can manage the border radius, and then this one is the for gap, and this one for the alignment. So after that here you can select the button background,